Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the concept of constitution. Constitution is a legal document, supreme law of land, which make government system work in any country. It establishes structure, procedure, power and duties of government institution. It helps in governing the political system in a country. It establishes doctrine of limited government and promotes democratic rule. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by Indian Constituent Assembly and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. It mainly consists of preamble, 465 articles in 25 parts, 12 schedules and 101 recommendations. Preamble is a preface, brief introductory statement which highlights the entire constitution. It sets out guiding purpose and principles of the document. It may also be considered as soul of constitution. Its main features include fundamental rights, fundamental duties, directive principle of state policy, parliamentary form of government, ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity, concurrent list, which have been taken from different sources of various countries such as fundamental rights from USA, fundamental duties from USSR, directive principle of state policy from Ireland, parliamentary form of government from Britain, ideas of liberty, equality and fraternity from France, and concurrent list from Australia. Our constitution to a great extent influenced by Government of India Act 1935. By 42 Amendment, Indian Constitution is read as sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic to secure Indian citizen justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. So that is all I have discussed about the concept of Constitution today. Thanks students, thanks for watching my channel. Keep watching my channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks.